I don't think people understand the transformative power of Kundalini Yoga. Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to a journey that promises to transform your life. Today, we're diving into the transformative world of Kundalini Yoga, a practice that has the power to change your life from the inside out. Imagine a powerful energy, coiled at the base of your spine, waiting to be awakened. This energy, often visualized as a serpent, holds the key to your inner potential. This, my friends, is Kundalini. It's not just a concept, but a profound experience that can elevate your consciousness. Kundalini Yoga, often called the Yoga of Awareness, is an ancient practice originating in India. It has been passed down through generations, preserving its powerful techniques and wisdom. This powerful practice combines physical postures, breathwork, chanting, and meditation to awaken that dormant energy and guide it upwards. Each element plays a crucial role in harmonizing your body, mind, and spirit. It's like gently coaxing a sleeping serpent to rise, awakening each energy center within you. As you practice, you'll feel this energy moving through your chakras, bringing balance and harmony. As this energy ascends, it unlocks your potential, bringing forth clarity, vitality, and a deep sense of connection. You'll find yourself more in tune with your true self and the world around you. Are you ready to embark on this journey of self-discovery with me? Together, we'll explore the depths of Kundalini Yoga and awaken the serpent within. And before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Over 50% of our viewers haven't subscribed yet. Your support helps us bring more transformative content to you. Thank you. The beauty of Kundalini Yoga lies in its profound effects on your mind, body, and spirit. This ancient practice is designed to awaken the dormant energy within you, often referred to as Kundalini energy, which resides at the base of your spine. Regular practice can lead to increased energy levels, reduced stress, and a heightened sense of awareness. As you engage in the various postures, breathing techniques, and meditations, you begin to unlock a deeper connection with yourself and a profound sense of inner peace. This tranquility extends beyond your yoga mat, influencing your daily interactions and overall outlook on life. Imagine feeling more grounded, centered, and connected to your intuition. Kundalini Yoga empowers you to trust your inner voice and make decisions that align with your true self. Kundalini helps you access the wisdom within, allowing you to navigate life's challenges with grace and resilience. This practice encourages you to embrace your strengths and acknowledge your vulnerabilities. It's not just about feeling good, it's about feeling whole. The sense of completeness you gain from Kundalini Yoga is transformative, touching every aspect of your life. Kundalini supports your physical well-being by strengthening your nervous system, boosting your immune system, and enhancing your flexibility. The physical benefits are complemented by the mental clarity and emotional balance you achieve. This practice is about cultivating a loving relationship with yourself, nurturing your body, mind, and spirit. It encourages self-compassion and self-acceptance, honoring your body as the sacred temple it is. Through Kundalini Yoga, you learn to appreciate the beauty and strength within you, fostering a deep sense of gratitude and inner radiance. Ready to experience the magic of Kundalini firsthand? This ancient practice is designed to awaken the energy within you, bringing balance and harmony to your mind, body, and spirit. This gentle 10-minute practice is perfect for beginners. Whether you're new to yoga or looking to deepen your practice, these simple yet powerful techniques will guide you on your journey. Find a comfortable seat, lengthen your spine, and close your eyes. Take a moment to center yourself, feeling the ground beneath you and the sky above. Begin with breath of fire, short, powerful exhales through the nose, allowing the inhales to happen naturally. This breath technique energizes the body and clears the mind. Visualize awakening that dormant energy at the base of your spine. Imagine a coiled serpent slowly rising, bringing vitality and awareness to each part of your body. Next, transition into spinal flexes. Inhale as you lengthen your spine. Exhale as you gently draw your navel towards your spine. This movement helps to release tension and increase flexibility. Repeat this rhythmic movement, feeling the energy flow through your spine. Allow each breath to guide your motion, creating a wave-like effect through your body. Now, come onto all fours for cat-cow pose. This pose is excellent for warming up the spine and preparing your body for deeper stretches. Inhale as you drop your belly, lifting your chest and tailbone. Exhale as you round your spine towards the ceiling. Feel the stretch and release in your back with each movement. Flow gracefully between these poses, connecting breath with movement. Let your breath be the anchor that keeps you present, allowing you to fully experience the benefits of this practice. Kundalini Yoga is more than just a series of postures. It's about aligning your breath, body, and mind. Each breath, each movement, becomes a meditation, guiding you deeper into your inner world. You may find yourself chanting mantras, using specific hand gestures called mudras, or focusing on specific energy centers within the body, known as chakras. Don't worry if it feels different or even a little strange at first. Approach this practice with curiosity and an open heart, allowing yourself to explore the sensations that arise. Remember, the most important thing is to listen to your body and honor its wisdom. Section 5. Join our community. A journey shared is a journey enhanced. Many of you watching this video haven't yet taken the leap to subscribe. Joining this community means embarking on this journey of self-discovery together. Here, you'll find a supportive space to learn, grow, and connect with fellow seekers. We share tips, insights, and encouragement to support each other on this path. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. We're all in this together, learning, growing, and supporting each other every step of the way. Click that subscribe button and become a part of our ever-growing community of light. Section 6. Cultivating consistency, your path to inner harmony. The true magic of Kundalini unfolds with consistent practice. It's like watering a garden. The more you nurture it, the more it flourishes. Even dedicating just 10 minutes each day can make a world of difference. As you make this practice a part of your daily routine, you'll notice subtle yet profound shifts in your energy, your mood, and your overall well-being. Remember, consistency is key. It's about showing up for yourself day after day and honoring the commitment you've made to your well-being. And trust me, the rewards are immeasurable. Section 7. Sharing the gift. Spread the joy of Kundalini. Once you've experienced the transformative power of Kundalini, you'll naturally want to share it with the world. Spread the joy by inviting your friends and family to join you on this journey. Share this video with them. Encourage them to try this 10-minute practice. and watch as they too begin to experience the incredible benefits of Kundalini Yoga. Together, let's create a ripple effect of peace, love, and awareness that extends far beyond ourselves. Section 8. Your journey begins now. Embrace the power within. You hold within you the power to heal, to transform, to create a life filled with purpose and joy. Kundalini Yoga is simply a tool to help you unlock that potential. So, take a deep breath, trust in the process, and allow yourself to be guided by the wisdom within. Your journey begins now. Namaste, beautiful souls. Section 9. Connect, subscribe, share. Let's journey together. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the heart of Kundalini Yoga. If you enjoyed this practice, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And be sure to share this video with your loved ones so they too can experience the incredible benefits of Kundalini. Leave me a comment below and let me know how this practice made you feel. I love hearing from you. Until next time, keep shining your light.